Hi, my name is Divya. I'm going to be a junior at UNC, and I'd like to be a Chem mentor for Chem 261 or Chem 262, depending on my schedule. I did mentor for Chem 261 in the spring for Dr. Ostel, and I really liked it. My fun fact is that I have a bear in the house, and this is Xena. She's my German Shepherd, and I used to have a Golden Retriever too, and his name was Rex. So, yeah. I will be doing a Chem 261 problem. So this has to do with methyl shifts, which can be kind of difficult for students new to organic chemistry. So right here we have 3,3-dimethyl-2-butanol. And this compound is going to react with acid and heat. And what's going to happen is this alcohol group, it is negative, so it's going to be taking a hydrogen from there. We're going to add a hydrogen right now, and then this is going to have a plus charge. And because of that, this water molecule is going to take the electrons from this bond, and it's going to leave. So that's why over here we're going to have the water group leaving. And because all of that is leaving, we're going to have a positive charge right there on this carbon. So two things can happen. Either it can be like this and form an elimination reaction, but that's not the most stable product. What's going to happen is that there's a methyl shift where this methyl group moves over here to this positive charge, which is much more stable because instead of having a secondary carbocation, you can have a tertiary carbocation right here. So having a tertiary carbocation is stable, and after that, we're going to have a base. We can just write B there for base, have electrons there, and this base is going to pull off a hydrogen. It can either pull off a hydrogen from here, like that, and then the electrons from that can flip down and form a double bond, and that would form 2,3-dimethyl-1-butene. So that can happen, but that's not the most stable product. What is more stable is that if this base takes off a hydrogen from this carbon, right there, and then there would be a double bond that flips down there because the electrons would be moved there. So if that happens, you form 2,3-dimethyl-2-butene, and this is going to be the more stable product because you have the double bond here is bonded to more things than this one is, because this is two hydrogens right here and this has two carbons instead.